Hey guys, it's Mario Orchard Videos. How's everyone doing? Anyways, here is my next project. It's my old Stihl chainsaw, and I think we're going to take it apart and see what's wrong with it. I had some problems with it. I put a new carburetor on it, and an Amazon special, and it's just been really super hard starting, and I'm not too sure what's going on, but I might redo the carburetor, and I'm probably going to do it up a little bit. Watching some videos on how to port and polish the cylinder head, so I think we're gonna do that. Just kind of give it a bit of airflow, and this saw is gonna turn into my saw for doing other stuff around here, because this is still a very good saw, and I still love this saw. It was a very good saw for me for many years. I got tons of usage out of it, and I feel it deserves to be brought back to life. And actually, I like it. I like this saw better than my new one. I have a bigger saw. It has like a 29-inch bar or something on it. It's just something huge. But the new saw I bought, I'm going to be using for on my porta-mill I'm getting, because I have a bunch of logs in the saw up. And it's one of those ones that the chainsaw goes on, and you kind of push it and you kind of mill your logs, and that's what I want to use that saw for, because it has such a big long bar on it. So, but anyways, try that out and see how it goes. But I still need another little saw, and this is, like I said, I bought this one in, I think it was like 2000. Actually, might be before, yeah, about early 2000s. I bought this thing here. So I think it deserves to be brought back to life and running again. So we're going to take it apart and see what we're going to do with it. We're not going to take it totally apart, because you don't need to, but I just want to clean it up, take the bar out, repaint it and stuff like that, and pretty good tension on it. So I think the brakes on it. And but yeah, it has I'm not too sure what's going on with it. I think it's low compression or something, I'm not too sure. But I think it might have low compression. I don't know. I don't know. It wasn't starting very good before, and I was using starting fluid to get it going, which is a no-no. You shouldn't do that with two-stroke. This is the This is good old Detroit diesel. The only thing to start those things, easiest to start those things was to use starting fluid or a John Deere tractor. But anyways, we're gonna try to get it going, and probably get another carburetor from Amazon again, new carb, and just change all the vacuum hoses properly on it. I think this one needs a filter in here. I can't remember if I put one in here or not. It has to be drained, and cylinder, of course, and we're gonna do that. So that's the project we're gonna be doing here. Something to keep the guys come back on our channel. And if it turns out good, I'll buy another saw. I've even a bigger one, bigger than one than I already have, and probably maybe even use that on the mill. But I like to figure out on how to do all this modification stuff and get this one up and going. Again, we need it. Oh, we don't really need it. It's just kind of a little project to keep our channel up and going, because there's not really much going on right now in the shop. So I've been fixing cars, but that kind of stuff. So anyways, guys, it's dirty, needs to be cleaned up and such. So, but this is probably one of the better saws still. Everything's still aluminum on it. Well, a lot of it is aluminum, and a lot of the new stuff is plastic. So, it's all about. Actually, tell you what, this 026 is actually heavier than my new saw. So, pretty funny how that works. But anyways, yep, we'll get up and going again. So stay tuned for updates on this saw here and the modifications we're going to do to it. I watched some stuff on YouTube, and I think it's going to suit it very well. Alright, thanks for watching. See ya.